Hello everyone, this is your instructor Idris Oriakale from Novatech. Today I will teach you how to download and install Microsoft Office in 2025. No crack, no subscription. In this video, I'll show you how to install the latest version of Microsoft Office without needing any product key or paid subscription. We won't use any crack or third-party installer. Everything will be done using Microsoft's official tools. Just follow each step carefully, and by the end, you will have Office fully installed on your PC. Before we begin, if you already have a Microsoft Office installed, maybe a trial or expired version, it's best to remove it first. Just go to the control panel, click on Uninstall a Program. From here, remove anything related to Microsoft Office. Once done, we'll begin the setup. Open your browser and visit config.office.com. This is the official Microsoft Office customization tool. We'll use it to create a custom Office installer. Click Create under Create a new configuration. Select the 64-bit architecture. Then, under Office Suites, choose Office LTSC Professional Plus 2024 Volume License. This version gives you access to the full Office suite without needing an online Microsoft account or subscription. If 2025 or a newer version of Microsoft Office is available, you can also select that instead. Now you need to select which Office apps you want. I only need Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, so I'll uncheck the rest. You can also choose to install Publisher, Outlook, Access, whatever you need. Scroll down to the Language section and choose English, United States, or your preferred language. After selecting your product, apps, and language, click on Export. Choose Office Open XML format. Accept the license agreement and click Export. It will download the Configuration.xml file. This XML file contains all the details about your Office setup, like which version, which apps, and which language you selected. We'll use this file in the next step to install Office on your PC. We'll download the Office deployment tool that will install Office using this configuration file. So, open your browser and search for Office Deployment Tool. Open the official Microsoft website. Click the Download button on this page. Once downloaded, double-checks the file to run it. Accept the agreement and continue. When the tool asks where to extract the files, choose a folder where you can easily find them later, like your desktop or downloads folder. You can see it extracted files like setup.exe along with a sample XML file. You can ignore the sample file. Now create a new folder and name it Office or anything simple. Move the setup.exe file and your configuration.xml file into a new folder. That's it. You are now ready to begin the actual installation using Command Prompt. Open the Command Prompt as administrator. In the command prompt, type cd. Then copy and paste the folder path where you place the setup and configuration files. Press Enter. Now, to begin the installation, type the following command and press Enter. Make sure the XML file name matches exactly, including upper and lower case. Once you run this command, the Office Deployment tool will start installing Microsoft Office on your PC. You may see this progress bar. Just keep the command prompt window open and let it finish. Depending on your internet speed and the number of apps you have selected, this may take a few minutes. Once the installation is finished, you can close the command prompt window. Now go to your Start menu and open any of the Office apps you installed, like Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. After opening the app, go to Account. You may see a message saying Activation Required. This is because the Office version we installed is the Volume License Edition. It allows you to install Office without entering a product key during installation. It also bypasses the need to sign in or use a Microsoft 365 subscription during installation. This method is useful for testing or temporary use, but if you need long-term access with full features and updates, you'll still require a proper activation through a valid license key or KMS server later on. So guys, that's how you install Microsoft Office in 2025 without using a crack or any unofficial tool. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to Novatech for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.